Let's make this simple but absolutely delicious and healthy banana bread. Trust me, I make the best banana bread. And if you try this, you will fall in love with it. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have with me here my bananas, okay? We are just going to use 4 bananas, and that is what you are seeing. It is very well ripe. Okay, now after that, I'm just going to use my fork to mash that, and then we can continue. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please do well to follow us for more videos. It is free and you are going to enjoy there as well. You can as well use your potato masher to mash your bananas. You can use your spoon. You can even use your hand to mash it, okay, even though I have not tried that before. Or just use your blender to blend it, but you make sure you don't blend it very smooth if you don't want it smooth, because when making this recipe, it will be very nice if you have some banana chunks in there, so you don't have to blend it very smooth. Okay, yeah, so now this is how it looks, and it is absolutely perfect, because like I told you earlier, we want some chunks in there. So I'm just going to introduce to you the other ingredients we are going to use. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like the video. Have you liked it? If you haven't liked it, okay, can you do so for me? It is free. They don't take money, okay? It is absolutely free. Like the video, share to others, leave me your comments in the comment section, and I'll be very, very, very happy to see you in the next upload. So subscribe or follow. It is absolutely free. You can as well join my membership, and I'll be very glad. Okay, yeah, thank you so much. I've added 2 eggs and I've mixed it very well. Okay, when making this recipe, you can as well omit the eggs and you are good to go. That is my 1/4 cup of sugar, and we used brown sugar. You can as well use the white one and you are perfectly okay. Okay, make sure you mix it very well till it dissolves. Okay, I will then go ahead and add my melted butter to that. You can as well use margarine if that is what you want. So that is actually about 2-3 tablespoons of that. Okay, mix it very well, and then I will introduce to you the next ingredients. Now this is how it looks. Absolutely perfect. I'm just going to add my milk, and that will be about 2 to 3 tablespoons of whole milk. You can use evaporated milk, you can use any milk of your choice, powdered milk, and then you are good to go. So now I'm just going to introduce my flour, and that is my flour. Okay, we used 2 cups of flour, and I will mix it very well till everything becomes uniform before I add the next ingredient, or I show you what to do next. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much. Have you liked the video? If you haven't, can you do so for me? Thank you for doing it. So my flour contains okay, I'm now adding that. I've added a tablespoon of baking powder, and I added a pinch of salt. I added some 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, and then I added a tablespoon of cinnamon powder, and I'm mixing it very well. I usually add my baking powder to my flour. That is why I was about to say my flour contains baking powder, not knowing I did not add it to it that day. Yeah, that is just by the way. So mix it very well, like how you are seeing on the screen. I know very well that the things are heavier than my tiny hand, but I was able to mix everything. Now I have my baking pan here. I'll just go ahead and then pour everything in there, and then you are good to go. Just look at that. Absolutely delicious already, even though it is not ready yet. Now I have set my oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and this is the rest of the batter. I'm just going to put this as well in the oven, and then after 20 to 35 minutes it is ready. And just look at that, absolutely good. So make sure you study your oven, you know how to handle your oven to get the perfect outcome. Now just look at that, it was so easy to remove because of the baking sheet. Okay, I'm just going to cut some for you to see how soft and delicious the banana bread looks like. Just look at that, absolutely good. Now I'm just going to cut this. Okay, you see that small one I took? I have no idea where that went to. Trust me, but it is enjoying in my mouth. It is absolutely good. So this was the next day I decided to cut this. It was my husband who requested for this, and then the following week I made it in a larger quantity. Oh my goodness, it was absolutely delicious. Try this recipe and let me know the outcome. I am pretty sure that you will love it. Thank you.